This is how I was able to fix my Forza Horizon 6 sign-in needed on my PlayStation 5. So basically what I had to do first is to go into settings here on my PlayStation 5, and then what you're gonna do in here is to click on users and accounts. Then scroll down and click on other and click on restore licenses. Make sure to restore license for all of your games here, but obviously it has to be for Forza Horizon 6 as well. So I'm just gonna click on restore here in the bottom right corner, just to demonstrate how it actually will look for you. So make sure to look for the Forza game in here and then restore it, restore the licenses. And now what we need to do as well is to go back to the settings page here. So then click on system, and then on system, click on system software. And then what you need to do on this page is to make sure that you have the most up-to-date version. So click on system software update and settings and make sure that this one is up to date here. If it's not, just click on it and then click on update using internet. But you can see I have the latest version of the system here, and perfectly. So try this and try once again, go back into the game, and hopefully now it's gonna work for you as well.